we have not seen any particular examples for the var const and let in the previous sessions. So today I will be considering some of it. So we will see this var const let in detail, and then we will talk about the primitive and non-primitive data types here, which we have actually talked about before. So let's discuss it. I'm just coming towards the VS Code first of all. Two basic programs I will be telling to explain it, simply nothing else. So here I'm just writing JavaScript let const and var. Okay, so suppose I'm taking few variables here. Let's take var. Okay, I'm taking here var intentionally to explain you the scope and all with some different data types. Let's say some name I have taken. Then here I'm taking null. Then var d equals to undefined. Okay, now this is scope. Okay, in the case of JavaScript, we are having scope where you can directly write this braces and it will be simply considered to be scope. So inside this, if I just change here, let's say I'm taking here var b equals to, let's say anything, I have written this, and I'm taking here console.log b, and outside this also I am giving console.log b. Okay, so okay, I'm just going to run this. This was the previous stuff. And this is our file number 31. So here you can see what is actually happening. Either the value which is inside, that is like this, inside the scope, and outside the scope, Aman is not getting printed. We are getting this printed both the times. So when you are using this var, so var is actually, you can say, global, having the global scope. Var is globally scoped, while let and const are block scoped. You can write it also even. You can just write a note, NOTE note, that var is globally scoped, whereas let and const are block scoped. I'm repeating my statement. Var is globally scoped, let and const are block scoped. So now in case I just update it, like I just update this var to the let, the second thing which is there, that is let. So if I take it let here, now here you can see internally, internal variable is simply printing b, is printing this only, but yes, the external one is actually printing Aman. So var can be updated and redeclared within its scope, and let can be updated but not redeclared. Okay, const can neither be updated nor be redeclared. So let's see that also. Moving to the next file. Here I'm taking, let's say, let b equals to abc. Let's say author I'm taking. Author will be constant, obviously, but I'm just taking here ABCD, the name of the author right now. And let author equals to 5. Now what you can see, it's giving one error, and that will be definitely there. The error will be definitely there. Why? Because when we have taken this const, so that cannot be updated. Okay, so var can be redeclared and let cannot be. Okay, so let cannot be redeclared, and the value which we have already taken constant, so how can it be changed? So that's why it is giving us the error here. This error is genuine.